What's up, you guys? It's Moses, and today I'm going to be cutting weeds in the yard. Got my handy dandy porta cable grinder, and I don't have it hooked down. I have to hold it down with one hand and then grind it. This nice, it's called a Craftsman wood handle weeding hoe, and it does just that. It came with a blunt blade, so I needed the grinder, which I got at Lowe's. Lowe's now carries Craftsman tools, and this is, I had never seen this tool before. It's a weeding hoe, and it's got two hooks on that side and a sharp blade like an axe, even a machete on a long handle. This thing works great. And so far I cleaned up the back of the house, cleaned up the back of the house with this. Let's say hello to the Buddha of all knowledge. Hopefully it's good and no evil left in the world. Buddha, thank you. Of course I did use the grinder. I would not recommend this using it without being bolted down. Like I said, folks, it's not bolted down, but it's a pretty stable unit. I turned it on, and I'm not going to grind anything holding a camera because I need my other hand for that. But you see, it's pretty stable. I can let it go, and I'm going to turn it off because I am going to bolt it down. But there's a lot of us that have 20 by 20 garages or workshops. That's what I hope to build one day in this little plot of land. But you see, with my weeding hoe, let me go grab that. This weeding hoe is the best. Once again, look at that blade. Look at that blade. Let me see if I could hone in on it. But you see, it's pretty sharp. Pretty sharp blade. I sharpened the points too. I sharpened the these ends as well. And this is what I've done so far. Trying to clean all this up. I couldn't find a solution before, folks, but this is how you clean up these tall grasses that grow. This is what you use. And I'm gonna keep going through the yard one at a time. These things have been grown in this yard, and I did not find a solution till this Craftsman tool that I found at Lowe's came along, a weeding hoe. And I pulled this out just a matter, this tumbleweed, just a matter of minutes. So go to Lowe's, get your grinder, get your weeding hoe. If you have a yard like this, I wanted to contribute my part to all those great video makers on YouTube by making my own video and showing a solution to whom may share in this, because this is ridiculous. I don't know where this grass came from, but I have to pull it out of the earth to make it stop. I've mowed it down and mowed it down. They just keep growing back. But with this thing, Craftsman weeding hoe, finally got a solution. Thank you. Have a great day.